read a press statement, or not a press release, by the spokesperson that President Barrow has redeployed the governors to the position of permanent secretary, a deputy permanent secretary. I think that's what they redeployed to the ministries, position of permanent secretaries, deputy permanent secretaries, and the deputy governors were deployed. Those people were not redeployed, because the exact words used by the spokesperson is that those people were deployed to the to the office of the Minister of Local Government. I don't know in what section in the Minister of Local Government they might be. But gentlemen of the press, that was done in order to scuttle, suffocate, and stultify the court proceedings that have been instituted against these governors and their deputies. But there's one thing that I know, that when a matter is before the court, no party should do anything that will really remove the carpet under the court. That is contempt. That thing I know. That when a matter is pending in court, you do not do anything that will interfere with the matter before a court. And I believe that a government that is committed to observing the rule of law will really honor, will really abide by that followed principle and leave the courts to decide whatever they want to decide in the matter. But what is more is that you cannot redeploy or deploy someone whose initial appointment is illegal. Because what I did, you cannot put something on nothing. You can only redeploy people or deploy public servants whose appointments are regular. And what they do not know is that once they made that appointment, once they made that pronouncement, we have taken the step to ask the court that those deployment and redeployment are also illegal, because you cannot deploy someone whose appointment is not legal. So we are going there. So they have not escaped. And what is I find strange is that how can the government spokesperson on civil service matters, I would have expected the Personnel Management Office to issue a statement relating to this deployment and redeployment. And in any case, the position to which these people have been taken appear to be promotions. And it is not the president that promotes the positions of permanent secretaries. I think the Public Service Commission acted on the advice of the Secretary General. Those promotions, those things are promotions. The president cannot promote anybody in the civil service. If you do, you are taking somebody's functions. So they do not know. So if Prime Minister says Imam fell no, near fell it, okay. Honestly, fell no, but near fell no, it's okay. Honestly. So, Mr. President, it really worries me if you really, because you told me that you rely on a technician, if you just rely on these nonsensical technicians. Take advice from your lawyers in the Ministry of Justice. If you do, you will be doing the right thing. But if you want to rely on these so-called political advisors, on these people that sit with you at your Mbahal lunch, and you think you can do things rightly, you are mistaken, Mr. President. And that is what I want to say, members of the press, that case is the governor's case, is not abated. Those so-called transfers or whatever you call them is nonsensical. We are going to make sure that we set all those things aside and that you cannot interfere with court proceedings. And I'm minded, in fact, to bring contempt proceedings against those people who are behaving this way.